Thank you, John and Steve, for the introduction. My name is Blake Halka, Project Development Manager at Next Generation Manufacturing Canada. I am excited to kick off the presentations by sharing with you today background on Next Generation Manufacturing Canada and the Artificial Intelligence for Manufacturing Challenge program. The program is funded through the Canadian government's Pan-Canadian Artificial Intelligence Strategy. In this challenge, NGen is targeting a co-investment with industry of up to $50 million to build advanced manufacturing capabilities in Canada by integrating AI innovation within the various manufacturing sectors. As an organization, we have built a membership from coast to coast of over 5,000 members from various backgrounds, including but not limited to manufacturers, academia, industry networks, and investors. Our membership is one way we support building Canada's advanced manufacturing ecosystems. Through our collaborative funding opportunities, NGen has to date supported 372 industry partnerships across Canada. The projects have provided support to a great number of small to medium-sized enterprises, academic partners, students, and industry clusters. I would also like to highlight that collaboration has not been limited by geographical borders. 1 in 3 NGen projects involve interprovincial partnerships and collaboration. Deeper into the project impact, to date, our support has resulted in $2.2 billion in revenue for the partnering organizations, created over 5,000 new jobs, and driven revenue 27 times per dollar of NGen investment. Combined with the IP being generated, new products, new services, and new companies being created, we are very excited about the future and the opportunity to continue supporting advanced manufacturing initiatives through the AI for Manufacturing Challenge. The goal of this challenge is to support the adoption of artificial intelligence in manufacturing. We are looking to invest in projects that are business-led, collaborative, and focused on commercialization. Projects should promote the introduction, development, and scale-up of solutions involving AI, as well as the activities required by manufacturers for their successful implementation. Projects should aim to enhance the efficiency, agility, and competitiveness of Canadian manufacturers, enabling the development of new commercial opportunities for both AI solution providers and manufacturers alike. Projects should create jobs for a diverse and inclusive workforce skilled in AI applications and manufacturing, and contribute to environmental sustainability, supply chain resilience, and the health and safety of Canadians. I will now hand over the stage to my colleagues to continue the conversation on project scope and how to better draw the line between the challenge goals and the project itself when answering the 8 application questions. Thank you.